Today I'm going to show you how to set up Jupyter notebook inside a Conda environment, and I'm using miniconda over here, and I also assume you guys have installed miniconda, Jupyter notebook and Python in your system already. So let's get started. So first I will show what are the environments that is created inside my system. So I have two Conda environments, base and ML intro. So we will start by creating new environment, Conda, create, then name. I will call it demo, then the Python version 3.9. Let's wait for this to complete, and after this we will have created the Conda environment. We can just check it again. So Conda env list, as you can see here we have this demo created here, and that's great. So let's activate this. So activate demo. So we are inside the demo environment, which is shown here with this base thing here. So we are inside the demo environment, and I will open the Jupyter notebook to show you guys how things are at first. So Jupyter notebook. So here we are inside the directory. Okay, yeah, and we have an option to create a new notebook, and you can see here there are two environments here. This is the basic Python environment, like the default one, and the environment that I've been using for my projects. And we can't see demo over here. So what we have to do is like we have to go and create, like, add this thing inside the Conda environment. Let's just shut the kernel down, and first we have to install package. So it's called ipykernel. So let's install it. It might take some time. Let's wait. So here we have installed it. Now we just have to create a kernel. So ipython kernel install user name equal to demo. You can give any other name, but I'm giving the same name as my environment so that I don't have to keep track of a lot of names, and this will create the kernel for us. We can just go and deactivate this environment. So yeah, and I will just create open the Jupyter notebook here. Okay, now I'm inside the Jupyter. So as you can see here, we have demo kernel right here. This is the environment that we created using Conda. So I can create a new notebook with this, and here we are. So basically this is it. You can see here our kernel is demo, and now I have not installed any special packages in it. So if I type pandas and import pandas here, I will get an error. But also I can change the kernel. So like I can change it to different kernel or different environment. Over here I've installed all the machine learning packages. So if I import pandas now, actually I have no error and no problem. So this is it. This is how you set up the kernel. And if you want to remove the kernel, it's also quite simple. So let's remove the kernel. So first let's go into the environment. So Conda activate demo, and then let me clear this. Okay. So then I just have to call Jupyter, then kernelspec, and I'll show you all the kernels that is installed first of all. So you can see here we have 3 kernels installed, and we wanna remove the demo. So I will just say Jupyter kernelspec uninstall, and the name of the kernel, so it's demo over here. Uninstall it, and it asks for confirmation. It's done. So now the kernel is completely uninstalled. I can also uninstall the environment completely. So first I will deactivate it. Deactivate, then Conda env environment, remove, and the name of the environment, which is demo. So now the environment is also removed. So that's it for today, guys. If you like the video, smash that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.